Welcome to Car Info YouTube channel, where we explore the world of automotive legends. In today's episode, we dive into the captivating history and potential future of one of the most iconic performance cars of all time, the Mitsubishi Lancer EVO. The Lancer nameplate is still used in certain Asian countries, but it now has the suffix Grand. It is produced at the Yangmei factory in Taiwan, and there isn't much to get excited about in terms of its power. The design and construction are the same as its predecessor, which was also available in the Evolution form. Car enthusiasts are still upset about the discontinuation of the Lancer, as the Japanese automaker doesn't seem interested in bringing it back. The final production of the Lancer happened in 2016 with the Mitsubishi Lancer EVO X Final Edition. It had a 291 horsepower engine and 300 lb-ft of torque, which falls short of the 473 GP of the concept version, but it stayed true to the standard EVO X in terms of performance. However, those familiar with the EVO lineup know that, despite having the same power and performance, the final edition had some additional upgrades. It featured a retuned chassis, Brembo brakes, BBS alloys, final edition logos, black leather-wrapped Recaro sports seats, red contrast stitching, and a few other enhancements. The final edition of the Lancer EVO performed well on loose surfaces, continuing the legacy of its iconic predecessors. Only 1,000 units were produced, and unfortunately, it was only available in Japan, not in Western markets. Mitsubishi has no plans to bring back a similar model in the near future. But not everyone believes the Lancer nameplate will remain inactive for long. Some speculate that it might make a comeback as a crossover, possibly with electric assistance or an all-electric powertrain. Others think the name might return in the era of electric vehicles as a sports sedan, once again bringing joy to car enthusiasts. Traditionalists would prefer a gasoline-powered model with all-wheel drive, but such proposals have been dismissed in the past. We recently featured one such concept, designed by Kelsonic, which presented a modernized version of the EVO X. Now, the same designer has shared a rear view of the CGI project. The design retains the recognizable Lancer EVO appearance with some modern elements. If Mitsubishi were to release a car like this, would you consider buying one? Stay tuned for future episodes as we uncover more automotive gems and delve into the fascinating world of performance cars. Until next time, drive with passion and embrace the thrill of the road.